Hey folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how to remove or install roof racks on a Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ. As you can see here, boom boom. Okay, super easy. You have these plastic pieces that sit on there that just pop on and off. What I did was I took a screwdriver, I got in here, I pried them off. It took a little bit of force, not a crazy amount. Pop that off. Pop this one off here. And then let me show you how these slide on and off. So you want to make sure that's pulled up there. And then you take it, you see the grooves, and you get it set on there like that. Get this one set on there like that. And then you just slide them on. What I did also was I put some, I used fluid film. You can use WD-40 or whatever, and that'll just make them slide easier, so you don't have to like force it. Also, one thing I need to mention, you can only lock them in these squares. So there, and so forth. So if you try to lock it somewhere else, it won't push down. But if you push it into place, it'll lock right there. And when you get them where you want them, you lock them down. And it'll stay in place. And then all you have to do is put that right back on and you'll be good to go. Same thing with this one, you just place them where you want them. And like I said, maybe grease the tracks a little bit so that way they'll slide easier. But yeah, it's a pretty simple job to do. So just wanted to thank you for watching. Have a good one. Peace.